Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a safety net. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Once done, confirm your device is compatible and has at least 5 GB free. Beta downloads can be sizable. Next, enroll in the Apple Beta software program and sign in with your Apple ID. This grants access to configuration profiles. Make sure to read the brief release notes and warnings so you understand expected instabilities before you continue. Now you download and install the beta profile while signed into the beta program. This tells your iPhone to receive pre-release updates. After tapping the downloaded profile, go to Settings, General, Profile to complete installation and accept prompts. Restart if requested to apply changes. Once the phone reboots, open Settings General Software Update and install the beta build over Wi-Fi with battery above 50%. Doing it this way ensures a clean delivery and minimizes interruptions. After the update, scan your apps and settings. Update apps in the App Store so they work with the new beta. If you encounter major problems, you can remove the beta profile and restart to stop receiving betas, or restore your device from the backup you made earlier to revert to stable iOS. Make sure to submit reproducible bugs through Feedback Assistant so Apple can fix them. Reporting helps both you and other testers. This completes the process and keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.